Hello children. Children, in the previous video, we have finished the book exercises of lesson number 15, Knowing Our Earth. So now we will start with the question answers of this lesson. So take out your social studies copies. Take out a new page. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 15 on the first line. Name of the lesson on the second line, Knowing Our Earth. Then underline it. On the third line, write brain gain. Children, we have to write brain gain also, like only one brain gain is there in this lesson. So write brain gain on the third line. Then number 1 is mounted. M-O-U-N-T-E-D, mounted. It means to be placed on top of something. Mounted means to be placed on top of something. As children, only one brain gain is there. So we will not waste the page and we will start the question answers from the same page. So write question answers here. Then question number 1 is, who first proved that the earth is round and not flat? I will repeat. Who first proved that the earth is round and not flat? The answer is Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round and not flat. Ferdinand, F-E-R-D-I-N-A-N-D. Ferdinand. Magellan, M-A-G-E-L-L-A-N. Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand F will be capital and Magellan M will be capital. I will repeat the answer once again. Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round and not flat. Full stop. Question number 2 is, what is a globe? What is a globe? The answer is, a globe is a small model of the earth that shows different continents, countries and oceans. Full stop. I will repeat the answer. A globe is a small model of the earth that shows different continents, countries and oceans. Model, M-O-D-E-L. Spelling of continents, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, countries. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. Children, don't make any mistake while writing the spellings. After writing, check your spellings once again. Then question number 3 is, what are maps? The answer is, a map is a drawing of the whole or part of the earth on a flat surface. I will repeat again. A map is a drawing of the whole or part of the earth on a flat surface. Spelling of surface, S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Now next question is, question number 4. List a few differences between a globe and a map. List a few differences between a globe and a map. The answer is, children, here what you have to do is, on one side, on left side you will write globe and on the right side you will write map. In between you will divide the page into 2 equal halves. So here I have divided, and draw the lines with the scale, children. So here you draw the lines. So we will start with number 1 under the heading globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. Then in front of that only we will write number 1 for map also. A map is a drawing of the whole or part of the earth on a flat surface. Full stop. Now here children, we will not write number 2 because here we have to write number 2 just opposite to each other. Like here we will write number 2 on the next line. It is 3-dimensional. Spelling of dimensional, D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O dimensional. And map, under the heading map, you will write it is two-dimensional. Then number 3 is whole earth is represented. Spelling of represented, REPRESENTED. I will repeat again, REPRESENTED, represented. Then under the heading map, you will write whole or part of the earth is represented. Now let's move on to question number 5. What is a compass? What is a compass? A compass is an instrument which shows us directions with the help of a small magnetic needle. I will show you the answer once again. A compass is an instrument. Spelling of instrument, 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 which shows us directions. Spelling of directions, DIRECTIONS, directions. A compass is an instrument which shows us directions with the help of a small magnetic needle. Spelling of magnetic, MAGNETIC, magnetic. Needle, NEEDLE, needle. So children, this was all there regarding the question answers of this lesson. I will show you the answers once again. You go through your copies and check your answers. And if you have made any mistake, just do correct it. So children, there will be a revision test of lesson number 6, safety around us. Full lesson from the book as well as from the copy, including brain gain. So there will be a test of social studies of lesson number 6, safety around us, next week. So be prepared for the test next week. Till then, goodbye.